we are at 1040 Vivian. It's a double wide trailer, as you can see. Has brick skirting all underneath. Come up the front steps here. As you can see, the grass just got cut. Come up the front door. I need to put a porch here coming into the living room. And the living room is fairly nice size. As a matter of fact, there's Diane's purse. The living room is 13.6 by 21.4. There's mirrors in the middle with a ceiling fan. 2 double windows. That's a mop bucket. And front door. And then that was the bedroom. Now this is coming into the dining room. The dining room is 10 foot by 12 foot. With chandelier. Okay. The neighbor let us borrow a chair for Diana to sit in. Randy's having a blast here. This is looking into the kitchen. Got our little ice chest over there for ice right now. We do not have utilities turned on yet. Back where Brandy's at is the utility room itself. Got a place for a washer and dryer. Got a little shelf. I'm not, honey. Refrigerator. Cabinet. We want to take and possibly build more cabinets on that empty wall there. Now the kitchen itself is 13 by 14. You go down the hallway here and you got a little small bedroom in the back. It's only 10.6 by 10.6. Full of stripping right now. And then the bathrooms, they're right there. And it's a really nice size little bathroom. And then on the opposite side is another bedroom. Now this back bedroom is 11 foot by 14 foot with double windows. Closet over here to the right. And you come back down the hall. And I'll head to the master bedroom down there at the end of the living room. And the master bedroom, the people here before us had painted it purple. That'll definitely have to be changed. But it's got vaulted ceiling, got a ceiling fan. That's a bunch of my stuff sitting over there. But this purple, and then off of it is the master bedroom. The master bedroom. Well, the master bedroom is 13.6 by 13 foot. Then you got the bathroom here with a shower to your left, shower stall, garden tub. And as you can see, they were in the process of painting this purple too. This also leads into the utility room. Utility room has a door going outside. And if Diana will wave, we'll end the video